Good morning everybody. Today we will see the third part of model auxiliaries. From the first two videos, I hope that you would have understood where we have to use these type of auxiliaries and how they help us in our grammar topic. Today I'll start with should. Should is used to show obligation, advice or assumption. Example, you should work hard this time is an advice. You should follow the traffic rules, that is obligation. They should have completed their work by this time, it is an assumption. The second rule is, it is used to express sense of duty or desirability. Example, you should help the needy. You should keep the promise. Now we will move to the second topic, would. Would is used as a past form of will or shall in indirect speech. Example, she told me that he would give her some more ideas. Would is used to make a polite request in a question sentence. Example, would you like to take coffee? Would is used to express desire or preference. Example, I would prefer coffee to tea. Now we will see the third auxiliary. Must is used to express obligation or necessity. Example, we must follow traffic rules. It is your necessity, it is your moral duty. Must can be used to show probability. Probability means possibility. He must be the clerk in this department. We are just thinking that he may be or he must be the clerk in this department. Now the third, must is also used to express immediate or future obligation. Example, we must be careful while driving. That is, this is your moral duty. Immediately you have to follow, or in future also you have to follow this rule. Must is used to express recommendation. Example, you must watch this movie. It is the best movie I have ever seen. Must is used to show certainty. Example, there is no one in this house. All must have gone for the wedding. Now we will see another set, have to, has to or had to. They are considered equivalent to must. Had to is the past form of must. Have to is used with all subject except for third person singular, or have to is used with subjects like third person singular. It is used with I, we, you and they. Has to is used with third person singular subject, that is he, she and it. Had to is used with all subjects. Next, I will give some examples. Have to, I have to work hard to get admission in a good college. We have to attend the party. Has to, she has to complete this work today. He has to keep his promise. Had to, they had to work hard for a living. They had to clean the room yesterday. Now we'll go to another auxiliary. Need. Need is used to express necessity or obligation. For third person singular subject, we have to use needs to instead of need. Example, you need to work hard. They need to go there. He needs to be careful. Needs to do a lot of practice. the race. Ought to. The last auxiliary we are going to say is ought to. It is used to indicate moral obligation, duty or sensible action. It is similar to should but stronger than should and not as strong as must. Example, you ought to go. He ought not to go. He ought to complete his work on time. So we have seen all the modal auxiliary in 3 parts. Hope you would have understood what this grammar